My people, this is not just a patch of wheat. This is a roadside bush that is taking over a place that is supposed to be a productive. People will look at this and walk away, but I see potentials. I see an opportunity to reclaim this land, to bring life and food where there is tangle and neglect. We are taking the ultimate challenge, a one-day bush clearing, roadside bush clearing and garden transformation. I will show you my strategy for breaking the toughest overgrowth, building immediate fertile soil, and planting a beautiful garden that anyone can create, even in the most challenging environments. Let's get working. We are going to tackle these projects. I mean, this roadside bush clearing projects in phases. Now we are in phase 1, attacking the overgrowth. You can see that the man doing this job is safety conscious, with long sleeve and other safety things in place. This is meant to attack. This is meant to avoid insects and thorns and flying objects. In this phase 1, the first part is clearing the bush, and that is what he is doing now. The bush will be cleared, which is the first part of attacking the overgrowth, and the bush is in progress. Hello, my people. It is time to cut the strongest, the toughest bush in this area. So that is what is going on here. We are cutting the strongest bush, the thick bush. We take, as I said before, strength and muscle to do this. It is not small thing. It is something that requires enough energy. So the victory we see here is that we are seeing all our efforts being rewarded. All the deep bushes that have caused the problem before, they are now being cleared off, and we are very happy over this. And very soon we'll go over to the next stage of the bush clearing. Second phase of this road clearing or roadside bush clearing is getting a fertile soil, which is all about tilling and plowing. But this is just introduction to the phase. It means losing the soil and making it erecting the soil, and the purpose for this is to allow water to penetrate deep, and this allows the new roots to stretch and thrive. But we are going to talk more about that one in another video. So thank you for being with us. We are straight away we'll go into the third phase of this video. Thank you. The second phase of this road clearing or roadside bush clearing is getting a fertile soil, which is all about tilling and plowing. But this is just introduction to the phase. It means losing the soil and making it erecting the soil, and the purpose for this is to allow water to penetrate deep, and this allows the new roots to stretch and thrive. But we are going to talk more about that one in another video. So thank you for look at what we achieve in one day. The over intimidating, overgrown bush has turned into a vibrant garden like this. It is not just about clearing the land, it is about clearing our mind, letting us know that there is potential in everything, both our life and people around us, so that we can exploit the potential. Thank you for watching. Overgrown bush or garden do you have in your area? Take your tools now and start clearing them. If you enjoy our bush clearing video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will not miss the next video.